Indian Red Cross Society Bishnupur District Branch na Organ Transplant Program RIMS ki kusamaduna Organ Donation Pledge ki came ama RIMS Anatomy Department ngasi pangchukri. Thoramaduda IRCS Bishnupur District Branch ki volunteers sing Police Department thabak toramba oinam kaithil dagi Ward number 3 dagi oinam Budichan apokpa Pishak amade kongkham awang lekai dagi Laishram Shamkeshwar apokpa Manina makoina lekhidraba matungda Miyoiba khunai yaifanaba thabakta sijananaba makhoigi mit amadi hakchang apumba kathoklagani haibagi pledge tawduna register tawki loinana tawbul mamang laikai dagi mutung gandhi apokpa ibungo yauna volunteer ani amanasu makhoigi organ sing donate tawnanabagi pledge tawki thoramaduda organ transplant program RIMS ki transplant coordinator sing Laishram Monica Devi amadi Jingtham Pritam IRCS Bishnupur District Branch ki Secretary Dr. Huidrom Roman Su Maruiba Myoy Singoina Sarugyaki